Let's go back to understand the history of yoga a little bit now, because today is the day to understand yoga, the science behind it as well. From Harappan meditating figures and Upashadanic roots to Patanjali's Yoga Sutras, Buddha's early training and modern yoga gurus who have globalized this practice as it stands today. DD India's Sujata Lojap traces yoga's aims of health, longevity, happiness. And our next report shows how contemporary leaders, world leaders, have helped make International Day of Yoga a worldwide celebration. Take a look.
History of yoga is as old as human civilization, certainly much older than archaeological records. In Harappa, the sculpture of meditating yogi and seal of yogi found in Mohenjo-daro is probably the most ancient record, which dates back to 3000 BC. The root of yoga is in Upanishads, where we find detailed descriptions of Ashtanga Yoga, also known as the 8 limbs of yoga, describing 72,000 human nerves and yoga feet. The Upanishadic truth of prana or vital forces was taught in Bhagavad Gita in detail. Lord Krishna says, Pranapano samokritva nasabhyantar charino, shutting out all external contacts and fixing the gaze between the eyebrows. By controlling the movements of breath, one conquers chief prana and becomes immortal. Such yogi never ages and lives for thousands of years. The purpose of yoga is not only to obtain immortality, but also to make body, mind and heart healthy and disease-free. The father of modern yoga, Patanjali, the Indian sage who is believed to have authored a number of Sanskrit works on yoga around 200 BCE, most prominent of which is Yoga Sutras. He assimilated yoga into the system for the common masses. The purpose of yoga is absolute happiness. Yoga is boon for humanity because it helps one avoid all kinds of misery. Gautam Buddha's first teacher was a yoga guru, Arad Kalma, who was an accomplished Hatha yogi. Buddha learnt Ashtanga yoga from him, and later through Upanishadic Dhyana yoga he accomplished Nirvana. All Jain Tirthankaras were accomplished yogins. In modern times, Swami Vivekananda popularized yoga and dhyana in West during 20th century. Vivekananda's Raj Yoga is one of the modern classics on yoga written for Western world. Later Indian sannyasis and yogins like Paramahansa Yogananda, Swami Sivananda Saraswati, B.K.S. Iyengar, Mahesh Yogi, Swami Kaivalyananda followed him and taught it to the Western world. Yoga Guru B.K.S. Iyengar was the first who achieved fame as Yoga Guru in West and taught yoga to several celebrities, politicians, famous philosophers like Aldous Huxley, Wallace Yehudi Menuhin, and even Queen Elizabeth of Belgium. Later, Mahesh Yogi rocked America with his yoga mission. In the 60s and 70s, Maharishi Mahesh Yogi achieved fame as the guru to the Beatles, the Beach Boys and other celebrities.
To attain this, they have to have a deep and clear experience of being.
In present times, there are many gurus who are making yoga popular in India and West both. They made it part of lifestyle and made easy yoga available to households. But yoga became world famous and reached every corner of the world because of the efforts of India's Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi. It is his effort that United Nations General Assembly unanimously passed and adopted International Yoga Day in 2014. The first International Yoga Day was celebrated successfully on June 21, 2015 across the world, including New York, Paris, Beijing, Bangkok, Kuala Lumpur, Seoul and New Delhi. Sujata Lojap for DD India.